Oh, you should miss a knife. It's a single. That's what the single I caught my GT with, by the way. And we just hook it on the outside. Ah! Not like that. Oh, hook yourself.
Yeah, it's ideal if you catch yourself.
Yeah. Go on the soft part of the mouth.
Got one, boys. Yes. Perch came up and took it at the end of the. Yay! Check it out, boys. Perch took that. As I brought it right to the edge. Nice. We've not blanked. Get in there. Look at that. You beauty. Cheers, mate. Cheers, pal. Come out. You got it stuck in your mouth. There we go. Check that bad boy out. There we go, boys. Cheers, mate. You beauty. You beauty. When I went slow, it... Chicken nugget. Anybody want a chicken nugget? I've got some chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget time.
Enjoying himself. Not skunked. Let me get him off the hook and let him go. Not skunked. Kick. Give me that hook. Oh, he's kicking. He's kicking. Oh my God, the amount of lens wipe y'all need right now is incredible. I mean, I'm probably offline. I just got so soaked. Look at everything he's throwing up that y'all can't see right now. The boat has been christened with a Goliath. Oh, we got another Goliath! They're eating! Ah! He ate it again. Yeah! In mind, that thing's well over that.
Tape. No, that's a 33 incher.
Let me lay him down real quick.
That's a 33 incher.
He's eating my thumb.
She's kicking.
Let me pull my
Did
tape.
you have that tape in here?
Somewhere. You want to get an accurate measurement here? My guess is 34 inches.
Don't matter. Take measures.
With a pinch tail, 34.
Here, grab that.
Same twin.
She's
33.
33 inches. She's barely over 32. Not skunk. It's a good one. They eat the shrimp.
They eat shrimp. 33. Get eaten.
She's kicking.
Pull them off. Let the rod do the center. He's not. I gotta drive away. Bunch is ready. We're gonna set the hook at like 30 miles an hour. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if she's on. It's cutting.
Okay, let me show you how this hook works too. But yeah, this is a nice one. I'd say he's about 17 inches, something like that. But look at it. Look at those teeth. That's why they're so hard to catch. All them big old teethers. But yeah, this guy's going straight in the box. I'm thinking he's probably 17 inches. 18 inches, something like that. He's right there. He's a big one. So no doubter. Ouch. Man, it was perfectly in the gap in those teeth. Let me tell you how many spikes I've taken to the legs today. And I'm covered in fish poop. One of those days. It's a sign of a good fishing day, but there we go. Little guy, way too small. They gotta be 12? Yeah, they gotta be 12. I'm gonna yeet him a little bit so the dolphins don't get him. So here we go. Elliot, and this is what you're out here doing? Trying to kill yourself? Ow. Ow. See, the last one bit my crotch. No lie. So, there you go. Mangrove snapper. This guy is 14 inches. The cutoff I've been working with today is about 12. So.
Oh. Oh, we got a fish. What the bananas? Yo, I told you my hole was good. This thing seems bigger than normal. Please stay on. I will cry. Tilt my drag just a little bit. There we go. Just going that way. That's right. It's kicking. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Pull them off! Are you serious, dude? No shot! Alright, I'm excited now. That was enough motivation to keep going. Oh, that was such a tease.
Oh, that's big. It's a good one. That's a little over 6 foot probably. 100-something pounds. All right, swing that rod at me. I got him. Going in! Don't put your toes in the water out here. Okay, I got him. Let me get him out here. Okay. He's fine. I mean, they don't die. It's just, you don't want to if you don't have to. Get in it! All right. All right.
All right, your turn. I'm done.
I'm telling you, it's some serious stuff.
I'm what?
Nice size.
Nice little perch. Really blasted it.
He's got a big mouth for a little perch.
Look how far he blasted it.
He like swallowed that thing.
He blasted it.
He's a fat guy.
Little perch.
That's a good size one.
Mm-hmm. Got a bass.
Yeah, I can hear the drag. Nice.
Let's go. He swallowed it. Let's go.
Nice. Good size one. Well, there's your dash you wanted.
Yeah.
I love when they do that.
Black drum. Hopefully someone took a screenshot and clipped that. Yep. Yeah. 18 and a half. What I said, I was trying to get bigger.
Sounds like blame to me. Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
People are looking at us. I'm sitting down.
Each tipped $80. Watching Phuzzy bowl like that is worth donating the rest. Ha ha.
Princess, thank you for that $80. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the $80. Holy crap. Can we get some hype in chat for that? Let's get some hype in chat.
so weird. He's like rubbing against the nurse shark. It's like, I gotta scratch my back. I heard nurse shark skin is the perfect back scratcher. This is so weird. It's literally rubbing against the shark. Do y'all see what I see? Is he helping? The shark is petting the manatee? Yeah, put a different meaning to manatees eating fish. We got shark eating manatees. Look, it's coming back. Seriously, this manatee is interested in this shark. It's really interesting. He's kind of like, okay, I don't want to get that close to that toothy end. Pretty cool, everyone. Pretty cool. Come on, manatee, come back again. Now it looks like he's about to take off. He's like, enough of this. There's no more fish to eat. I'm out of here. Oh, sea turtle, look, he's coming to us. This usually doesn't happen, people. You attracted by our chum or what? It's like I can't even get a good angle for you people because he's right in the sun. Just slowly creeping his way at me here. This is so weird. A big loggerhead. Come up and breathe. Let's see your face. It's so big. The size of that head. See the barnacles on its back? What are you doing, buddy? Why are you here? Are you trying to get tangled in my shark line? It looks like you're attracted to my shark line. Or are you trying to eat our chum? Like, what are you doing? It's pretty crazy. Y'all see this, people? Hypers, he's beautiful. Thank you, Coho, for the hundo, Dolene with the 3. Hitting it with the 300 bits. My net, I need my nets right here at my feet. Let's go. No, this way. Yes. Let's go. Come on, fish. Right up here, right here. That's gotta be a keeper. Right this way, buddy. I can't reach him. Stop it. Come here, buddy. Yes. Let's go. It happened. That's the fish we've been waiting for. I mean, that's got to be a keeper, right? 18 inches? No, that one's close to 20. Let's go, people. Thanks for hanging in to get a measure on him, but I don't know. He looks like 18 and a half or 19 to me. Let's go. Let's go. Real quick so y'all can get a look. So light colored. What's that?
Scorpion fish. A little bit worse than a lionfish. You don't want to get stabbed by these things. Look at those spines, dude. Look how ugly that thing. Look, you can see through his eye. Look at that. What's that? Get off my hook. Get off my hook. Get off. Ow! I think you got me. Is it over? Yeah, it's over. It's over. I'm gonna die in about 2 seconds. Here we go. It's over, chat. You got me. You got me. When does it set in? Look at him. He's alive. Ooh. Live shrimp. Live shrimp. See how windy it is? Look at his tail. Oh, he just blew out of my hand.
Yes! Whoa. Let's go. Hell yeah. All right, get you in the water. Get you in the water. Hey, there we go, guys. Squid on! Squid on!
13 pounds, 14 ounces, almost 14, you were right. Nope, bigger. Almost 14 pounds. Oh. Someone clip that one. That's a good one. All right. Hi, chat. We're kitty cat. Want to talk to him? Huh? Where's Pew when you need her? Pretty. Meow. Another species. He is. Yeah, yeah. I'm cold. I have a jacket over here, but I'm not wearing it. All right. All right. All right. I never claimed to be smart.
Inspired them to push it a little bit more, you know? Have you done Bali, Jay? No, I have not. What is Kongu? Is that in Bali? I've only heard bad things about Bali. Because, like, Bali is the thing you hear. Bali. It's just so short, so sweet. It sounds like it's going to be awesome. And then once you get... Ah! Back! You son of a bitch! We had a fucking hit! Back! 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 We fucking missed it! Oh! Oh! Back! Back! Let's go! Back! Where are you? Back! Back! What happened? Wait, what do you mean a dead perch?
Why is this bobber down? You guys need bigger bobbers. Yeah, I need bigger bobbers.
Wait. What do you mean a dead perch?
I brought bigger bobbers.
There's a dead perch?
Yeah.
Where?
Hold on.
No shot, dude.
It's just a floating perch.
Is that how you catch fish on the ice, Beck?
Oh, no. He just threw something down there and it just floats up to the top dead.
I mean, that's a good method, I think. He won't swim back down the hole. He's just sleeping? Hide the evidence? Okay.
I just want to see what I'm working with here. There must be some panfish. Oh, perch. I caught a fish. It's a largemouth bass. Small largemouth.
I'd say the belly on that's probably gonna be about 4.2. Between 3.8 and 4.2. It might be pushing 5, man. It's a long fish.
You've got it dead on. 4 pounds. That's the biggest one that's come out of this that I've personally.
I'm telling you, I've seen big fish out here. I just never been able to catch them. Look at that. Look at that, boys.
Here's a pretty fish.
Carolina bass, go on them early. I honestly didn't think you'd catch anything right now. I thought you'd need to wait for it to warm up a little bit over there. That's awesome. This came off the bottom. Big old white perch. I ain't gonna say big, but bigger than what we have been catching. Ow! Oh, he hooked me. He hooked me. He's like, now you know how it feels, punk.
Pull him off. Let the rod do the center. He's not. I gotta drive away. Watch this, right? We're gonna set the hook at like 30 miles an hour. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if she's on. It's cutting.
Just know when you see a flock of geese flying, or any flock of like a waterfowl, do you know why one line is longer than the other? Does anybody know the reason, or does anybody know why one side is longer than the other in their formations? I'm getting a phone call. I can't hear anything because my phone's ringing. Let's see. Aerodynamics. I mean, technically you guys are right when it comes to physics, but it's when you see a V formation of birds, one line is longer than the other. One side is longer than the other because there's more birds on that side. Dad jokes for the win.
All right.
Do you have something on it?
Yeah.
You do! Ah! You caught a fish! We caught a fish! Hell yeah!
No skunk. Look at there.
That's fucking hilarious! Oh my gosh!
Right at the
You
end.
can't see it. You gotta go that way. This way. Over here.
Hell yeah.
Hell fucking yeah!
Yeah.
They are.
I'm gonna have to though because what did it do?
I don't know, but that was fucking freaky as all get out.
Thought I had done something.
No, the ice shook. What the fuck? You're gonna get caught. You're gonna get caught on yourself.
No, I